Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Celsius Evo espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just gave this machine a tune-up, which means we replace the valve that is located over there, as well as service the brew unit, deep clean it, remove all the old coffee from here, re-lubricate it, replace this gasket, remove the shower screen, clean it up as well, and do cleaning cycles. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out, and then we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam. Nice steady flow coming out through the spouts. Excellent color as well. Good shot of espresso with good crema. Hot water, as you can see, is a nice steady stream coming out through the one. Excellent temperature and great flow. Now we're going to be testing the steamer. Excellent steam coming out through the one. Great flow. Great pressure. Excellent temperature. So there you have it, Saeco Celsius Evo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.